Hello, this is James. This is my first video of the year, and we're doing one on a plant that I grew last year. I was only able to grow one plant out of the seeds I got, and it had one fruit, so I got a lot of new seeds. This is the Python snake bean, and there's not a whole lot of information out there about it, so we'll take a look at it and I'll let you know a couple little things that I found out. Right now, this vine goes way down there, and it goes down and around here. On this side of the plant, it's 14 feet long. It's 6 feet from the top down to the bucket. And then the same plant coming up on this side of the plant is it's 24 feet long, coming from that end down all the way down to the bucket. And it's got, as you see, a whole bunch of different vines coming off of it, and they're running down this way. I was surprised the plant's going this way, but it's running north and south, even though it had to run one way or another. But so what it is this long bean right here. It's 24 inches long, and it's like 11 days old. This next one here, it actually developed after that first one. It's 16 inches long approximately, because of the curls, kind of hard to measure, and it's about a week old. This one up here, I didn't measure it. It looks like it's like 10 inches long, and it was 4 days old. And then we got this one over here that is right here. The sun came out, so it's kind of hard to see it, and that's yesterday's bloom. So right here, see this little flower, and see this branch? It comes in between the leaves. Okay, and then the other base coming out, it's a bunch of flowers. This will be your bean or your gourd, whatever you want to call it, and these are the male flowers up here. It works that way everywhere. See this flower that's opened? That is your female flower, and if it pollinates from one of these over here, or a group that's up there, or wherever, if it gets pollinated, then we'll have a bean. There's another bean. This thing's gonna be loaded down, making up for not getting anything last year. But I'm gonna let this one get 36 inches long, and then I'm gonna try some at 12 inches long, and then we'll try some smaller than that and see what has the best flavor. But see, all these are male flowers. All these are male flowers, and all the female flowers come on the end of this. So that's how you're gonna get the fruit. See right here, that little thing right there, that's a female flower, and here's all your male flowers, solid male flowers. Same thing, all these are male flowers. And down here at the end is your female flower. Let's see. Got my tomatoes running in here. Okay, so that was just the point I wanted to make. We'll put this out there for y'all to look at, and I'll be back next week to show you about when I harvest this one. When it's another 12 inches long at 36, we'll do another video on it, and then I'll probably show you what I'm doing with all these beans plant down here. All right, y'all check back.